All right, welcome to this amazing class. I want to do a shout out to all the AI Skill Up Squad amazing students. You guys have been doing great work. Keep it up. Very soon, we begin to make money from your skill. Now, if you look at my screen, you will see a portrait. This portrait is, I just generated it now with AI, and I want to show you step by step how you can get portraits. Okay, now you can go to Pinterest, you can go to anywhere, and you will generate a sample of the portrait you want to get. Okay, for instance, if I come here, I put I need a good, sorry, my system is having some issue, my P is not coming up. Image, let me just use image because I wanted to use portrait. Then this is where we are. So like this, if I come to image, I will see a lot of image. So you can just type you are looking for studio portraits, then they will give you plenty of them. For instance, if I want to use from this particular place, I can just take this. If this is what I want to mimic, I can just take this. All right, I can just take, you see portraits. I can take any one I want, but use Pinterest because Pinterest have wonderful images. Okay, now when I'm done with getting my image, I come to ChatGPT. Now this is what I did here, but I found that I am running my account of ChatGPT cannot accept image again because it's a free mode. So I will come here and upload the image I've downloaded. Let me upload the image. I have image Sam. I upload it. So sorry, so I upload the image I've loaded. Then I've typed my description already. I send this. I want to start a realistic photo studio business. Please give me a clear prompt for this image, but exclude the facial expression. Can you see what I said? Exclude the facial expression. The prompt should always use the face that I will provide later during different portrait creation. For now, do not include any facial expression. So I click on go. So we wait for the prompt to generate. Universal Realistic Studio Put. This is the prompt. You can read it from my screen, and if you need it, you can ask for it. Meanwhile, I think with all the classes I have done, you should be able. This prompt will allow you to swap different face later while keeping same pose, same studio alignment, same luxury suit style, same professional portrait. So you understand that what we are only changing in this portrait is the face. So we are going to be using the same pose, the way the man pose. We are going to be using the same studio lighting. We are going to be using the same luxury suit style. We are going to be same professional portrait quality. So if you want to change any of those things, you can also tweak your prompt. But for now, this is what I want to do. So I will come here and copy my prompt. I will copy my prompt. Okay, sorry, let me go up. Let me copy my prompt. So now I have my prompt. The next thing is to go to the generative AI we are going to use and for this case we are going to be using Gemini. So actually this is what we have, this is what we used to this is what we the image you just did right now, but this that is what we have. Yeah, this is what we you can see it, this me, and I posted one of my one of my man of God, someone I love so much. I was trying to create with two faces, but the first face I saw on my phone was the face of Apostle, so I impute it. Look at the real face, look at the generated face. Can you see the resemblance? Everything is the same. Everything is the same. Everything is the same. Okay, so that is that. Now we want to create a fresh one, so I click on this to have a new interface. Then I click on create image, right? Then I'm here, then I click on this plus icon, I click on here, upload file, I enter my phone. Let me check Moses, my name is Moses, so I enter. Let me check the picture there. Let me check okay, this is one of my pictures. So I drop the prompt we copy from ChatGPT just now. I said, let me just come here and say, use my face, do not alter anything, my face should be intact. So I've given that instruction, then I send it. Let's wait for the magic. Let's wait for the magic. So at the end of the day, you will have your portrait. If the portrait you get is not what you want, you will need to the next thing we need to do is to tweak it a little bit until you get exactly what you want. Okay, wow, this is what you have. Can you see this? Amazing. Can you see this? Can you just see this? Can you just see this? See, okay, now look at the picture I sent. Look at what I have. Like, can you see it? Oh my god, I love this. Remember, I'm using a free mode. Okay, let me send let me do the second one. Let me do it again. I use AGS image. Let me send the post again. Then let me go up and use that the instruction I gave. Okay, let me check for the instruction. Sorry, let me check for the instruction. Create. Remember, I don't want to write something else. Okay, let me just come here. Can you see this? Wow, you can do anything with AI, I can tell you that. Okay, use the image sent. I don't want to use P. I'm trying to use the image above. Use the image sent to you. Sent to you. Sent to you. Do not alter anything. Use the exact exact face. So I will upload the image, upload file. So I will click here, I will AGS stands for Apostle John Suleman. So I will enter it. Papa, I'm sorry for using your photo to do AI. Let me click enter. Let me click enter. All right. In case you don't know the man of God, this I believe no one here, even though you are not in Nigeria, no one here is strange to this face. This Apostle Johnson Suleman, the Restoration Apostle. So I believe you know him. And if you don't know him, you can just go and check him out on Facebook, on YouTube. Look at the portrait we have. Look at the portrait we have. You can see exact. Oh my God! I see. Remember, we said it should be using the same clothing. You can just see what is here. Oh my God! I can't imagine this. I'm so much excited. So see, with this, you can keep on training your hand, and this is a business for you. I can tell you, this is a business. I know some people that have told me, hey, you design for me this and that, but most people will always come for free. Don't do free. Even in free city, free countries, they still pay. Gospel is free, Christianity is free, but you will buy your Bible. So make sure you collect your own Azama money. Okay. So this is what we do. You can always create like this. We also send how to design any flyer of your choice. As long as the flyer is already available, you can design it. I will send that later. Thank you for staying through for this very class. I'm excited you are learning so fast, and keep on learning. I remain my humble self, Moses Oluwatobi Oshorame Amasuya. God bless you. I love you so much. AI Skill Up Squad. We are eating billions by the grace of God. God bless you.